Just weeks after Trooper Joseph Bullock was killed in the line of duty, shot by a gunman on the side of I-95, the impact of the trooper's death is being seen in area courtrooms, the communities he served with dedication for nearly 20 years. Only on 5, Megan McRoberts is in Martin County to explain what's happening.
Well, Michael, we know Trooper Joseph Bullock mainly covered Martin, St. Lucie, Indian River, and Okeechobee counties, but he made the bulk of his traffic stops right here in Martin County. But now more than 100 of his traffic citations are being dismissed.
Trooper Joseph Bullock spent 19 years serving the Treasure Coast, much of that time patrolling our interstate or turnpike. But nearly 130 citations that he'd written since last summer have now been dropped in Martin County. A judge in this order dismissing the cases at the request of the Highway Patrol.
I don't think people thought about it. It was actually his captain that brought it to the attention of the clerk, and the clerk brought it to our attention, and that's how we took care of it.
Assistant State Attorney Nita Denton said regardless of the tragic circumstances, without strong visual evidence or a second trooper witness, it's hard for the cases to hold up in court. Even his written citations aren't enough.
That's hearsay, and hearsay is an out-of-court statement offered for the truth of the matter, and it's not that reliable unless there are certain exceptions.
The citations being dropped range from primarily speeding, but also careless driving and offenses like driving on a suspended license. There are also 4 criminal traffic cases that have been dropped.
The criminal cases, we had to drop, and those were people who were driving while licenses suspended. The important thing is they were criminal offenses, okay? And, hopefully they learn from their lesson.
Now, we also reached out to the clerk of court for St. Lucie County, Indian River County, and Okeechobee County, but they say they do not have any recent cases of Trooper Bullocks that are facing dismissal. Reporting live in Martin County, I'm Megan McRoberts, WPTV News Channel 5.